I want to filter my data using filter function and partial match. What exactly I mean by partial match? In this example, I have category name, but I don't have a category column. I have only product name column in my data. And it's important that in this data, product name has always inside of it category name. For example, mouse. So gaming mouse, mini mouse, and so on. So I just have find text in product name, the name of category in product name, and I can use for this search function, and I'm just looking for this text for to look it, so category name where in product name, and we can see that when search function find this text, it will returns numbers, the position of find text. So mouse start here, and here is a bit in the middle, and so here is as a eighth sign, starts from the eighth sign. Okay, but for filter function I should have choose when I have numbers and false when I have errors, and we can just add ISNUMBER function to search function to get those results. So column with trues and false. Okay, we now know the principle, so let's filter our data using filter function. So it's this array. Okay, so I will just have one formula, so we don't have to lock it. And I want to search this category name and product name, so this range. And yes, I need add ISNUMBER function, and I have to remember about proper number of parentheses. It seems okay. Okay, and I now have only mouses and pen drives and keyboards and monitors. And it's interesting about search function that it works with wide charts. So when I choose here category as asterisk, I will get all values. So let's add also salesman to our condition for including values to filter functions. So let's multiply this by salesman column that are equals to the chosen salesman. Okay, it's okay. So I have Chandler, I can choose Ross, for example, and I have all products for Ross, and I can now choose only mouses for Ross. So using search function, we are just finding the partial match in bigger, larger text.